Hi everyone and welcome. Today we will be discussing about how to change Shopify invoice settings. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. First you can head over to your settings and there you can see we have various options showing up, and in here you can search for, like for example, you have checkout and you have billing as well. So all the invoices and that type of stuff is going to be, of course, being settled in here. And another thing that you can do is you can see that if I go back and then I'm going to be heading over to my products, actually orders, and there if I click on any of these orders, you will probably be seeing that we have invoice settings in here as well. And you can see we have send invoice, and we can totally change these invoice settings. We can change to, from, subject and custom message, which is optional, so you can review your invoice and adjust it according to your liking. And hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.